Hello, and welcome back to InkLingo. I'm Alex, so happy you're here. Today's story is called Making a Pizza, and it's a fun one for beginners in Spanish. In the InkLingo app, you can tap any word to translate it instantly, save new vocabulary, and track your progress. Before we dive in, let's warm up with a few key words. Como means I eat. Queso means cheese. Tengo means I have. And pizza, well, that one's easy. It means pizza. In this story, a girl named Ana makes a delicious pizza with tomato and cheese. Let's listen and see how she does it. Here we go.
Hola, me llamo Ana. Yo quiero una pizza grande. Yo tengo tomate. El tomate es rojo. Yo tengo queso. El queso es blanco. Pongo el tomate en la pizza. Pongo el queso en la pizza. La pizza es deliciosa. Yo como la pizza. ¡Qué rico!
And that's it. Ana made her pizza with tomato and cheese, and she loved every bite. Great job listening all the way through. If you want to read more stories with tap to translate, word saving, karaoke highlighting, progression tracking, and many more features, check out the InkLingo app. You can also read hundreds of stories for free on the website at inklingo.app. See you next time.